Alright, today I'm going to show you how to replace the key fob on a Nissan Pathfinder key fob. But before we get started, could you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. So right now I have a Nissan Pathfinder key fob and I'm going to replace the battery because the battery is dead. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take the key fob and turn it on the back, pull this notch down, take this notch, see how I do it, and pull out the key. And once I have the key out, I'm going to come up here, and I'll get in closer so you can see. There are some notches. So what I typically do is I take a butter knife, put in the notch, and twist it slightly. Sometimes it doesn't work. Or you take a small screwdriver with a small tip. My tip is too big. And you open it up like that. So once you have this open, you'll see that the key fob battery is right here. And what I like to do is I just simply tap on it on the table and it comes out. And then I take the old battery, dispose of it properly, and then I get the new battery, and then I come back up here and have to put it back in. Now, it has two sides to it, and I'm going to show you the two sides. This is the one side, this is the flat side, this is the positive side, right? Which is the negative side right here, and it shows it right here. And the battery that you're going to need is a CR. If you come up there, it says CR 2032H. Okay, that's the battery, CR 2032H. And so once I have this battery, the new battery, I'm going to go ahead and take it, and then take the other half of the key fob, flat side, or the plus side, downwards. And when you're putting it in, you want to make sure you come at like that to put it in. And once it's into place, you're going to go ahead and take the other half of the key fob and put it back together, align it up, and press it down until it snaps back into place. You see, now it's working again. And once you have that, you're going to go ahead and take the key and replace it, put it back in to the key fob. And that's how you replace the key fob on a Nissan Pathfinder. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.